Conservation of energy for a vertically upward projected body. Let I say there is body of mass m and we vertically throw with velocity v, and of course gravity is acting in the downward direction, that is small g. This is point A, a reference level. So at the reference level we will say potential energy will be 0 and the kinetic energy at point A is given by half mv square. So total energy at point A will be written as potential energy plus kinetic energy, that is 0 plus half mv square is half mv square. Suppose it reaches to any point B, and let me say the distance of point B from the ground or reference level is given by h, and at this point let the velocity of the object is given by v1. So potential energy at point B will be written as mg into h, and kinetic energy at point B will be written as half m into v1 square. Again we will use the third equation of motion, that is v square equal to u square plus 2as. So v1 square equal to u square is initial speed, that is v square. Gravity is acting downward direction, so minus 2g into h. Put the value of the v1 here, we will get it is half m, it is v square minus 2gh. So we calculate the total energy at point B is, potential energy at point B is, that is mgh, plus kinetic energy at point B is a half m v square. We are opening the bracket, 2 cancel, it is given by minus mgh. mgh cancel, we will get total energy at point B is given by half m into v square. Suppose this object reaches to the maximum height and this point is C. Maximum height means here its final speed is 0. We say v2 is 0, and this maximum height we say it is capital H. Then potential energy at point C will be written as mg into capital H, but kinetic energy at point C will be 0 because finally at the maximum height speed is 0. Now again we will apply the third equation, that is v square equal to u square plus 2as. V finally is 0, u square is v square, this is the initial speed, gravity is negative, so minus 2g, s is h. So we will write h is given by v square upon 2g. Put this value of the h here, we will write it is mg, h is given by v square upon 2g. G cancel, we will get it is half mv square. So total energy at C, that is potential energy, that is half mv square at point C, plus kinetic energy is 0, so it is half mv square. Total energy at point A is half mv square, total energy at point B is half mv square, total energy at C is half mv square. So total energy is always constant. We are changing the kinetic energy into the potential energy.